Are surprising accessories boosting Nintendo Switch sales? In the ever-evolving world of gaming, accessories often play a pivotal role in enhancing the overall experience. The Nintendo Switch, a hybrid gaming console that allows for both handheld and docked play, has seen a surge in popularity since its releases. But what is driving this growth? One intriguing aspect is the impact of unexpected accessories on sales. The Nintendo Switch has a diverse range of accessories that cater to various gaming styles and preferences. From specialized controllers to portable charging solutions, these items can significantly enhance gameplay. For instance, the Nintendo Switch Pro controller offers a more traditional gaming experience, appealing to players who prefer a classic controller feel. This accessory has gained traction among serious gamers, leading to increased interest in the console itself. Moreover, accessories that promote social gaming experiences have also contributed to sales. Items such as additional Joy-Con controllers enable multiplayer gaming, allowing friends and family to join in on the fun. This social aspect is particularly appealing, as it encourages group play and shared experiences, which can lead to more people purchasing the console to join in on the excitement. Another surprising accessory that has gained popularity is the Nintendo Switch carrying case. This item not only protects the console but also enhances portability, making it easier for gamers to take their device on the go. The convenience of being able to play anywhere has resonated with consumers, leading to increased sales of both the console and its accessories. Furthermore, third-party accessories have also made a significant impact. Companies have developed a variety of products, from enhanced audio solutions to customizable skins, that cater to the unique preferences of gamers. These accessories can make the gaming experience more enjoyable and personalized, which in turn can drive interest in the Nintendo Switch. In addition to enhancing gameplay, many of these accessories are marketed in creative ways, drawing attention to their unique features. This marketing strategy can create a buzz around the console, leading to increased sales as consumers seek to enhance their gaming experience. Overall, it is clear that surprising accessories play a crucial role in boosting Nintendo Switch sales. By enhancing gameplay, promoting social interaction, and providing convenience, these items contribute to the console's appeal, making it a popular choice among gamers of all ages.